Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate product pricing with ProfitWell, detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate product pricing with ProfitWell, start by logging into your ProfitWell account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll get an overview of your financial metrics. Select the Pricing tab from the menu. Here, you will see existing pricing plans and performance metrics. To create an automated pricing strategy, click on Add Pricing Plan. Fill in the required details such as the plan name, description, and pricing. Next, determine the pricing model you want to implement. You can choose between flat rate pricing, tiered pricing, or customized options. Once you have selected a model, input the corresponding price points. Next, set up rules for when prices should adjust automatically. These rules can be based on various factors, such as customer behavior or market trends. After defining your rules, navigate to the Automation section. Here, toggle on the Automation feature to enable dynamic pricing adjustments. Make sure to review the pricing rules created and ensure they align with your business strategy. Consider conducting a test run to monitor how the automation performs. Adjust any settings as necessary based on initial insights. Once satisfied, finalize your automated pricing setup. It's crucial to regularly revisit your pricing strategy to ensure it remains effective. Monitor metrics provided by ProfitWell to track the impact of your automated pricing on revenue. By following these steps, you will successfully automate your product pricing with ProfitWell. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.